This video will try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, some landmark also. You will find lots of reviews and reviews on Navya that will guide your stay. Its review rating is 9.0, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Let's talk about the amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, the property accepts major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.